do you think are the ingredients to a great story?
I think what's really important is, oh man, that's such a good question. So the ingredients to a good story, I think there's two key places I'd like to jump off here. The
Yeah.
first one is when you tell a story, what you're trying to do is get someone who's on the other side of the table or other side of the room and pull them over and make them feel like they're in the story. And one of the best ways to do that is to make the story about them. So you may have heard about, making your prospect the hero of the story. That's so important. But what does that mean? Best way to describe it is if I'm an SDR and I'm sending an email and there's a lot of, I can help you and we do this. What's happening is the story's not about the prospect. The story's about me. It's about my product, my solution, me trying to hit quota. But if it's about them, their issues, their pain points, case studies that tie into, another CFO that you were trying to sell to, making it about them lets them feel like they're in it. And again, you're more likely to kind of pull them across and make them, an actor in the story versus an observer watching from the audience.